This is better. I've done the analysis, FTC analysis for the monthly. This is what I did for the monthly. You can check the video I've done for the weekly too. This black is representing that of weekly, while this two red my FTC for the monthly. So I'm going straight up to my monthly my daily FTC. This is how I do my top down analysis. Don't forget, this is the red for the month. Can you see how there was a lot of what was it called, touch and the reversal, as you see. And this black is that of the FTC high for the weekly. You can see the market is drifting toward that direction. So all we are going to do is to see whatever happens. If you have a pattern, a chart pattern, then we know what to do from there. So we are to do this analysis and see how it goes. So let me start from this place. Let me start from this place and see how it goes. So this is how I do my daily FTC. What I do in daily FTC is to predict the bias for the month. Whatever will happen for the month, I know from my daily FTC. So the weekly and the monthly FTC is the bias for the year, while the daily FTC is the bias for the month. So that's how it goes. The 4-hour FTC is the bias for the week, and the 1 hour and 15 minutes are my bias for each day and the entries for each day. So this is how it goes. So I look for the first two candles that began a month, and I mark the high and the low of the candle. Look at this. This 2023. This is the first month, and this is the second month. Okay. So what happened is that this is the first month. This let's see again. This is the first. This is the first month. This is the first month. And first day. Sorry, this we are talking about the year, not month. So I'm explaining video. I'm not confused. Offset. I will have to cut this side off. I'm explaining something. I'm not reading scripts. That's how we explain. So guys, this is the first candle, as you can see, that began this month. This is the second month. This is February. You can see 2023 to this February. This is the first day, and this is the second day of February. So what I will do, I will mark the first. I will pick my horizontal line, and I will mark the high and low of this stuff. So let me change the color to let's say dark blue. Let's change the color to dark blue. So this is the high here. This is the first two candle. This candle here is the first candle. As you can see, this candle there is the first candle. Look at the date below. This first candle of the month of February, and this is the second day of the month of February. So I am marking those two candles. So I'm bringing this to the low. This is the low. So, and I'm hoping to have a breakout for that month and a sell. And as you can see, what happened for this month, there was a pullback, and what happened, there's a double top. Don't forget, the month started from here. This is a top formed there, and when this pulled up, there was a double top. I told you already, double top chart pattern is very important in trading the FTC strategy. Chart pattern, candlestick pattern. So when I see this chart pattern, this double top with this place, what happened, I already know. Look at this bearish engulfing. Already you have a good sign that this FTC high of the day is being rejected. So this is a tweezer pair, or you can call it, it's a tweezer pair. This is not bearish engulfing, it's tweezer pair, as you can see. So tweezer pair is a candlestick pattern for reversal, candlestick reversal pattern. So already you don't have to wait for much signal. When I see this being rejected, what I do is that on my smaller FTC time frame, I was able to get an entry. I caught this move, and as you can see, it came to this place, bounced up some little bit for few weeks. It's a few weeks. Let me see, one, two, one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. So after 1 week, it broke below this. What happened? It went down, came back to this place, this other block here, this and other block here. But with this, you can use the lower time frame to get an entry here. You see there's another double bottom here. With the lower time frame, you can make this entry. I cut this up to this place. Already I know we are going down for the month. For this month the candle is bearish. So with my lower time frame FTC, I caught this move also, and as you can see, it was massive downward. And this place with the lower time frame, you are seeing a double bottom in this place, and we go up. So this is what happened in the second month, that is February. So let's see where the third month began from. You can see already the third month began from this place. This is the third month. This is the third month. This is the first candle of the third month, this place. So where this began from, the low of the daily FTC is where the third month candle began from. So this is the second candle for that, and let's see how that goes. So this is the first candle, this is the eye, and then this is the what is the second candle. So what happened is that, you see, it broke below. There was a retest. It broke below, came back to the structure, retested, came, give a double in this place in lower time frame. You see this, a double bottom, and we are able to break below into the above into the fourth month. The fourth month began from this place. So let's see where the fourth month began from. I need to be very fast so that I will make my clip shorter. The fourth month began from this is the first candle. So this is the first candle, and this is the second candle. So I take this, I move this to the high of the first month, and I move this to the low of the first month. So let's see what happened. This is the first month. This is the first month. Don't forget, this is the second. When I talk about month, I'm talking about like this is the fourth month. This we are doing an analysis of what will happen in this month of April. As you can see that's the fourth month. So this is the first two candles that began that month. So want to catch the move for the month. You can see there was a candlestick pattern here, and this is a doji. We call this a doji that happens. Can you see this is the low? That red is the low of what of the is the low of the is the FTC low of the month. So this doji happened at the FTC low of the month, and what we have is what a bullish market for the month. It broke above and we went up, and so that's what is currently happening. So we are possibly having a continuation. Let's see how it goes for that month. But this another month. Let me round up with this. This another month. This place is the beginning of the weekly time frame. If you check the clip for the weekly analysis FTC that I will be dropping shortly, you will see that this is a double top, and there's a bearish for the weekly. So you will see this, and you'll be able to sell. I was able to sell this. I was able to sell that because this signal was a signal I caught for the week. So essentially that's how this goes. That's how this goes. So for this week, for now, it's like all the move is being engulfed together within the month. You can see within the month, within the week, and so we need to watch out for straight pattern before we can act. If there is no pattern, we cannot act. Don't just act. You act based on candlestick pattern. So this is how we do essentially for the moves. Thank you guys.